In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to waterproof my bathroom floor. I'm going to be coating a special blend of low-fat, grade A plain yogurt on top of my James Hardy board. This yogurt you can buy at Kroger and it's fairly cheap. It's been around for centuries. It's safe, it's non-toxic. People use it on their skin. It's effective in waterproofing. Most everybody else uses RedGard, but I use yogurt. So the first step in waterproofing your Hardy board is making sure your waterproofing chemical is coated very thinly onto the surface. This particular waterproofing is water soluble and it's known to have a very powerful effect in thwarting water. It's what was used in the old days. It's a natural ingredient we find in nature. It's perhaps millions of years old. And it's totally safe as opposed to something we don't know much about. Some of these new polymers that are coming out. We don't know how safe they are. They don't publish their material safety data sheets in regards to health. It's proprietary. They don't tell you what exactly it's made of. This is made of bentonite, kaolin, and petroleum. It's a petroleum-based thin form of, basically you could say, asphalt. But it's totally safe and it's very effective. And it's highly cheap. When everybody is forced to pay $50 a gallon for RedGard, you have to question exactly what's going on there. I've talked to scientists and medical professionals about this and done quite a bit of research online and to determine whether or not it's safe. I know it's effective in terms of waterproofing. The question is whether it's safe, and it's 100% safe because it's applied to the skin. It's all around us. There's been safety studies on animals as well as humans, and it's absolutely 100% safe with no data suggesting otherwise. However, I don't know if that's been done for RedGard. So, if you're looking for an inexpensive way to waterproof your bathroom, just think about it. What's been used before? What works? So what we're going to do is we're going to give this a go, and I'm 100% sure it's going to work. So we'll apply some more layers. I'll apply some more layers on, and we'll see how it does. I'm gonna go get some more yogurt. And be right back. This particular yogurt looks like it's been used. It might have been thrown out from Kroger, I don't know. But this one's non-fat. The other one was blended. So this is probably going to be pretty thick. And there you have it. You can take a look at it. It's pretty delicious looking yogurt. Again, I don't have $1 million like a lot of other people might. I just use science. Well, I'm trying to use science, if you will. And furthermore, this is already underneath my existing bathroom floor, in the form of the traditionally used surface paper that they use for waterproofing. It dries very fast. It's extremely cheap. You can get a whole 5 gallons of it for $40. And if you overcoat it somewhere, like on the walls, it scrapes right off. It forms a wonderful 1/8 inch coating that's 100% waterproof, and that is very durable. You can furthermore adhere tile to it. They use this yogurt, if you will, in England. I don't know why Americans are hung up on RedGard. I don't think it's necessary. The safety data has not been proven, and furthermore, it's a relatively new compound. I'm going to go with something that's affordable, safe. I know it works, and I think that's about it. That to me is a sell. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm basically applying basically asphalt, liquid asphalt. It's not asphalt though. It's a special chemical that they sell in England, and we in America don't use it for some reason. I don't know why. It was used before. All of a sudden, everyone got on the Curdy board and the RedGard wagon, which has virtually a monopoly and is not forthcoming in exactly what the product is or its safety. I have nothing against RedGard. It's just outside of my budget, and I don't think it's necessary. I mean, I think the waterproofing is necessary, but I don't think everybody out there needs to shell $50 per gallon. $50 per gallon. Let's think about that. So gasoline is, somewhere between $2, $3, $4 a gallon. And they're selling a polymer, an elastomer. They say it's an elastomer. They don't tell you exactly what it is. But if we go back to basic chemistry, we know what is waterproof. We know we know things that provide waterproofing. And we know basically what it has to be. It has to be hydrophobic, right? So this is nature's most basic chemical. It's hydrophobic. It's entirely safe. It dries very fast. And it's affordable. So the rest of it I'm going to do with a brush when I come back. So I've applied about a coat and a half. The most important area is going to be right here. So where my grain's going to be. So I'll come back over that and hopefully you all can see. So look at that. I'm running a fan in the background and the window in the bathroom is open. But this is completely non-toxic. And it's affordable. So, anyways, I hope people can think about what they're doing when they're waterproofing their bathroom floors, and maybe be a little bit more cost conscious about how they're spending their money, because not everybody can afford, you know, a simple elastomer that's $50 a gallon, and that has no proven safety data. That's not even FDA. It hasn't even been examined by the FDA, whereas this has.